Hi guys, in this video I'm explaining how to set up analytics for the website. So let me share the screen. Yeah, I have a client website, new website. Yesterday only I started creating on this. It's more of the music albums website. So still the work is going, but before that only I want to set up analytics for this website. This is a WordPress website, and let's see, I'm going to connect it. So I'm already in the dashboard. Before we set up analytics, few things we have to understand. To set up analytics, what you required is Gmail account. Your Gmail account only you can set up it, and Google Analytics is free. And it gives you a lot of information. These days, value is increasing for Adobe Analytics as well. But Adobe Analytics is paid tool. It's not free tool. It's very expensive. Okay. Some companies use Adobe Analytics as well. But if you learn Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, you will learn. But the only thing is, tool is not available with us. So try to learn Google Analytics perfectly. And you remember, with one Gmail account, whatever Gmail account you have, you can create 100 accounts. Accounts means nothing but I'll try to make you understand like 100 clients. 100 clients account you can maintain. You have a, you have a B, you have a C, different clients. And one more crazy thing is you have a client A, and client A give you a number of projects. First project, second project, such a way. So each account can have 100 properties. So example, client A. Client A can have a website like first website, second website, such a way, 100 websites. Also, you can manage from a client A. Next, client B, again 100 websites. Total, how many websites you can manage with one single Gmail account? 100. 100. How much? 10,000 websites or apps. Websites or apps. That's why I called it as a properties. You can manage with a single Gmail account. Nobody use this much, but when you start an agency, so you don't need to create multiple Gmail accounts for multiple websites. One Gmail account is enough to manage this. So remember this one. And one more thing you have to remember is there are two things: Universal Analytics and GA4. Universal Analytics, which is UA. Previously, from the past 10 years, what I'm using is the Universal Analytics only in Google Analytics. Now, they come up with a new version called GA4, Google Analytics 4. By 2023, this is the old version is going to be done. So you can't see the old version now. You will see the new version only. So in this video, I'll be explaining how to set up both of them at a time. Anyway, by 2023, it will go, but still you can stay with the GA4. Clear? Right. Now let me show you this. Okay, so I've already logged into the dashboard. Now let me go to, I've already logged into my Gmail as well. So Google Analytics. Because mine is already existing, you will see so many websites here. You can see these are all the websites I'm working on it. But for the people who just now started, to make you understand, what I'm going to do is, when you log in for the first time, how it looks. You create a new Gmail account. For the first time you're doing, it will be like this. Okay. First, it will ask you account name. What account is yours? So like whether you're managing your website or someone's website, mention it here. So I'm just mentioning here my USA client website. Well, it's my USA client. Maybe he might be giving a number of websites. This is the account name. Just accept everything. You see, you have access to 70 accounts. The maximum is 100. Means till now already 70 accounts have created. This is 71st account. Then the property. What is the property? Property means either the website or app name. So the website I'm managing is Next Generation Music. This is the website. Yes, the client is from US, so I'm going for the reporting time zone US only. If it is India, I can mention India. But here, don't click on next. Here is an option called show advance option. Because we discussed, right? We have both UA and GA4. If you want to have both of them, then click on this advanced option. You don't want to use the older version directly, you want to go for GA4, just move forward. But I want you to use both of them as of now. You will see the difference. So here, activated. Create a universal analytics property. Clearly mentioned. Exactly one more year is there anyway. Universal analytics properties, you will stop collecting data starting July 1st, 2023. Till then, it's good to use because that is very comfortable. Now I'm copying the website URL here. What are the website I'm working? Just copy it. Come back here. Paste it. See, as of now, my website doesn't have HTTPS. We're working on it. Then it's good to have HTTP only, whatever the version is there. But here it is showing HTTPS. Here, don't copy the HTTP again because it's already there. Then everything is fine. I'm clicking on next. Then again, some information will be asking you. So, what is your business about? And what is your business size? What would you like to do with this? Create. Then accept the terms and conditions. Right, everything is fine. Now you'll come to this place. So here, this is the website we're working on it. And can you see the option here? Global site tag. This is the code. This code you have to paste it on your website. Because of this code only, Google able to track who are coming to your website. Okay, there are two methods. One is tag manager and normal one. We'll do the normal one only. So I just copy this. So check there. When I come back to this page, there is an option called global site tag. Copy this. Come back to your website here, dashboard. Go to appearance, theme file editor, and right hand side check for header and footer. There is an option called header. Click on this. Here you will see open head and close it. Just before the close it, paste the code, the analytics code, update file. That's it, guys. It will start working on it now. Now everything is fine. You just close it. Before closing, I want to show you what Google Analytics will track. You just click on this gear button. It will show you page views. If somebody comes to your website, it will tell you which page they viewed. If someone scrolled, it will check. If someone click and been to another website or a same website, other link, outbound clicks also it will do it. And your website have a search bar. Someone searched, those information also it will track. You have a video on your website, someone played a video, it will track. If there is a file on your website, said they downloaded, these all things it will be checking. Now everything is fine. I'm closing it. Done. Now, what else created now? What is created now?
సార్ ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేసి ఉంటుంది ఫస్ట్ దానికి క్లిక్ చేసి ఉండాలి
Click.
పేజ్
No, I don't have to check it. Automatically, they will do it. Now, see here, my USA client, under that one property I created. But here I created both of them. You just click on drop down. So GA4 and UA, both of them. So you can use both of them. Now let me use GA4 first. If it is GA4, left hand side, you have an option called reports. Yeah, here we'll come to know if any person is coming to my website. So there is a real time option. If anyone comes to my website, it will activate over here. So please open your smartphone and type this website. So this is a website. Don't search in Google because today only I created, so it is not indexed. The website name is this NEXS. It's not NEXT, NEXS generationmusic.com. Next generation. You don't need to type HTTP. Directly on the browser URL, search this. Enter. Now, why I want you to check this? I want to test the code is triggering or not. If so, I can see that people are coming to my website. You go to the website, and if it is not tracking, means something there is a problem. The pasting the code. Maybe you haven't pasted the proper code. Let us check this. Yeah, you can see this. It's showing 3 people. So this section slowly populate, guys. Don't worry. At least wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's loading here. But when you scroll down, immediately you can see here what's happening. Now, whether you're scrolling, whether you're clicking, everything also it will track. It means code is working. I'll make a separate video on GA4, but let us directly jump to UA. See, I'm going to the UA, the older one. This is the newer one. Older dashboard it is going. This is more comfortable. This is more easy to understand as well. Here also real time is there. Yeah, real time overview. You see here, guys, 5 people are there on the website. Among that, 80% from mobile, 20% from desktop. And this section shows uh, last 60-second users. This is shows last 30 minutes views. And which page they are. 4 people are on home page, one guy being to artist page. Where are they from? 4 from Hyderabad, one is from Mumbai. Who is from Mumbai, man? So location it will show you. So this is how you have to set up analytics. More options I'll show on my live website. Let me recap this. Okay, I think one person is there from Mumbai. Guys, who is live? Are you from Mumbai? Just put it in a comment. Go on, that guy also gone. So things to remember. One Gmail account, 10,000 websites or apps you can manage. There are 2 options, UA and GA4. Slowly people forget UA, but it was a beautiful one. You have to remember GA4. I'm researching on it. I'll make a separate video on GA4, but I have a UA available with my other client website. I'm going to show you the data for it. I'm going to walk through the options. What are that? Yeah. So just this is the e-commerce website, and I'm going to show you what's happening over here and how to read the analytics. Guys, what do you think? Why Google Analytics is important? Why you have to check the analytics?
Traffic how much?
Okay. Next. So
How much?
by analyzing it, what you will get?
How to target, where to target,
అంటే
How much
how much
business?
business.
కొన్నిసార్లు మనం కొంతమందికి టార్గెట్ చేస్తాం. సో ఆ టైంలో డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ అనుకోండి 60+ వాళ్ళకి మనకి అవసరం లేదు.
You will check over here.
వాళ్ళు చూస్తే మనం వాళ్ళని
Okay. Like see, students write exams, right? Quarterly, half yearly. So it's like assessment. Then how I have to improve. Here also, while you're doing a marketing, how much money I'm investing, how much I'm getting, what is the return on investment? Is it reaching to the right audience or not? If you don't analyze the data, if you don't check the analytics, you will be same. You will not grow. That's why it is mandatory. Every field, analytics are mandatory. So when you go to the home page, you will see the dashboard here. They'll give you all the information over here. From here also you can go, or else you can check these options. So initially they're showing you how many people are live on your website. One person is live. Then this is the last 1 week report by default. 4,000 users came, $6,000 we made, total 0.88% conversion, which is showing red means as compared to the previous week, which is less. And total sessions plus means it's good. Users, revenue, sessions are good, but conversion rate was less. Now the graph also you can see the last 7 days graph. If you want, you can check last 28 days, last 90 days also you can check it. Next, this is how do you acquire users means how people came to your website. Organic search, direct, referral, social, or others. So if you put a cursor, you can see this. On 4th yesterday, 500 people came from organic search only. So our SEO is good. We're not running any ads. Previously, we used to run ads. Now we stopped everything because our organic is good. Next, direct 82. What do you mean by direct?
Advertising.
Typing the domain name. Directly typing the domain name www.abc.com. Referral means
Advertising.
advertise, not consult.
Someone shared.
Very good. Other website, someone mentioned that if you're looking for more details, go to this website. The link. Social is 0. So here I'm not taking care of social media. I'm taking care of only SEO. So you can see from there, social media nothing is coming. So with this, what we can tell is social media is weak. You have to work on that. Others means maybe email marketing and all. So every day. So almost our SEOC 564, 595 on these 3 days, it reduced. Then we'll understand why it is reduced, what we have to do it. If you click on acquisition report, full report will come. Then which time they're coming? So 12 a.m., 2 a.m., 2 p.m. And if you put your cursor, you can understand. See the information. 129 users, 147 users. From which country they're coming? In last 7 days, most of the traffic is coming from Nigeria. Second is US, Ghana, South Africa, Jamaica. And if you click on this option, more options will come. I'm going to show you. So I can see that Nigeria is top, but we are delivering only at US. Then what I convey to the client is most of the traffic is coming from Nigeria as well. If we try to ship over there, we can make more profit. 88% of the people are mobile. Then what are you going to do with this information?
Targeting
Target
mobile.
users.
So whenever you're running ads, then target more on mobile only. So instead of wasting money over here, what pages do your users visit? 824 people came to cart page. Particular Keratin product 684. Checkout 309. Home page 192. In such way, different pages. So based on that, what you can understand is see skincare, how many people are going, especially for the particular product, how many people are going. You can check it. Top selling products. So as of now, in the last 7 days, there is a product called Keratin Brightening Body Lotion. which got $1,300, total 6 unique purchases. In such a way, which product is trending also you can see it. And if you're running any Google Ads campaign, what are the campaigns? What is the revenue? So we're not running any campaigns as of now. So this is the main dashboard. Next, this customization, this is nothing but by default they give a dashboard, right? If you want, you can create your own dashboards. You can create your own dashboards. Like what all the options you want, just click on create. I want clicks, I want impressions. You can do it. Real time is the live data. How many people are there live on your website? As of now, 2 people are there. 2 are from mobile phone. And if you click on location here, you will see from where they came. So one is from Colombia, one is from South Africa. And if you click on traffic sources, you can see here from Google 1%, directly 1%. I'm clicking on the last 30 minutes. In the last 30 minutes, how many people came? 29 people came, among 7 from Google, 22 from directly. What pages they're browsing? These are all the pages there. So this is about the real time. Real time is nothing but live data. How many are there in my website? So you can remember this in such a way that from here, A, B, C. Audience acquisition A, behavior B, C conversion. Audience information is nothing but who came to my website, male or female, what is their age, what kind of device they're using, what kind of operating system they're using. This all information will be there in audience. Acquisition means from where he came. From where means whether he came from SEO, Google Ads, or social media. Behavior means he came, but what he is doing? He's doing simply time pass, or how many pages he's going, where he is dropping. Conversion means I'm getting conversions or not. What is the number? Directly the number you can say it. So A, B, C. Let me go to audience here. So you just see this. By default, it is a 1 week data. So here, click on drop down and today report, yesterday report, last 7 days, last 30 days, or else you can select the May 1st to, you can check like this as well. Now 2.5 months data is there. 2 months and 4 days data is there. Now you can start analyzing this. Now here, see here. July 3rd, 536 people on average, 600, 500. So if you see, average is 500. Somewhere it is increased here, but it decreased here. Now here, this 12% is a returning customers. This is a new customer. Returning customer means, so they been to website before, again they're coming back. How does Google find that whether they came to your website? Whenever one customer came to your website, what Google will do, Google assign some unique number to you. Something like 11222 something. So that unique number is given to your device. So next time, again with the same device, you've been to the website, you are existing customer. Okay. Existing customer, but you are the same customer, used a different device. You will count it as a new business because they're assigning a number to the
particular device.
device, not to the user. That's why it is counting whether it's a new visitors or returning customers. So in such a way, in these last 2 months, we have 34,000 users. Among that, 32 are new users. So for a marketing, both are required for us. We should get new customers. We should get the returning customer. Returning customers are coming means maybe they are loyal to you. Your brand is very good. New customers are coming means your marketing is working well. So both you have to improve. So big website like Amazon, Flipkart, the returning customers are more for them because people trust the website. Session is nothing but now you've been to this website, you spend 5 minutes, one session, 20 minutes, one session. 30 minutes also one session. But after 30 minutes, 31st minute is a second session. More than 30 minutes you spend, it's called a second session. Means one person can do 2 sessions. One more example as well. You go to the website, you browse something, then after that, you be into another tab. You're spending some time. After 30 minutes of inactivation, means you're not doing this, you're doing something else. Again, you came back. It's going to be second session if you come after 30 minutes. This is about session. Page views, 34,000 people, 1,21,000 page views they did. Is it possible or not? How it is possible?
3 pages.
So one person can go to 3 to 4 pages, right? Bounce rate. Any idea what is bounce rate?
Bouncing back to the
Hard work.
వెబ్ పేజ్ ఓపెన్ అయ్యాక మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్
menu back వచ్చి.
Website
సబ్మిట్
page.
అయినా ఏదైనా క్లిక్ చేస్తే అది open.
Customer came to the website. He spent 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour on the same page. Still, it's a bounce rate only. That's all. It doesn't matter. He never been to the second page. I don't care whether he spent 1 second or 100 seconds or 1 hour. But he never been to second page and he closed. It's called a bounce rate. Means only one page he watched it. In what situation people quit on the first page?
That advertising.
So they don't like the page. Or they're very happy with what they got. Okay, they came to your website, they watched a Shakira song, they're very happy, they went. So you don't know, man. You can't say that customer is not happy. Like you're looking for information like how to lose weight in 3 months. And someone searched, they landed on my website. That is the page. I explained everything. I explained some 10 tips. You don't need to browse another page, right? But anything more than 70% is bad. Means out of 100, 70 people quitting on the first page is wrong. So this is about the bounce rate. According to this, on my client website, out of 100, 59 people are quitting on the first page. It's very quite common that people quit on the first page. But it's less than 70 means it's good. As of now, this bounce rate is good only. Someone tell me, so bounce rate is 1 to 100, you have to decrease it. Bounce rate should not increase 70, 80. How will you decrease your bounce rate? Any ideas?
ఎక్కువ మంది సార్ ఎక్కువ మంది ఆ వెబ్సైట్ కి
Traffic is not a solution.
Creative ఉన్నది video. Website.
So what?
లేదంటే కంటెంట్ సెకండ్ పేజ్ లో
So, any idea?
Traffic engine.
And there are different ways.
Like,
Like one is the which he told एक ही पेज पे पूरा आइडिया नहीं देते थोड़ा
correct.
थोड़ा
Back
next
link,
page
correct.
में
So,
information please go to
you should make them in such a way that enroll now, it should go to the another page. Second page, if you go, you can reduce it.
funnel.
Kind of. Session duration. I want people to spend more time on my website. Then what I have to do? I have to make more videos here. I have to put more videos. Now, assume that I'm playing this video here. Do you think that session duration will increase? This is a YouTube video. Guys, if someone play this video,
యూట్యూబ్ లో
the customer is on YouTube. Okay, this is called iframe. This is called iframe. So you thought that customer is in your website, so he's not in your website. So better thing is you should have your own video. Like you download this video, you can upload here. When he's playing, that's the perfect one. I'll show you another website. So your real video should be there. Now see, the video is playing here. Okay, so now customer is here only. Customer is not going anywhere. So this is how you can increase the session duration as well. Now we can see the information from which countries they're coming. How many countries they came to website in the last 2 months? It's showing 10, but it's not correct. So see the full report. The column have only 10. That's why they're showing 200 countries in the last 2 months. People came from 200 countries. See, blue, they all visited the website. Nigeria, US, Ghana, South Africa, UK. Now, these numbers are very important, right? Like, you are shipping your product to the worldwide. then what you'll do is there is a website. There is a country called Iran and Jordan have a very less traffic. Then what we are going to do to increase the traffic? That you'll check with your client and you will working. And you'll also see the numbers here. From US, we made $28,000 in the last 2 months. And from our Ghana also sales happened. Jamaica also sales are there. UK also there. So sales are coming from these countries. So if I increase my marketing, there is a possibility I can get more money as well. Now Nigeria, we're not shipping, that's why there is no money. But we're not running any ads. Everything is coming from SEO, so no problem from us. Maybe we'll be doing shipping to Nigeria as well, so that we can make more than this $28,000. Now one more thing. No, this is into beauty. I'll show you the website.
Nigeria, అదే ఏ వెబ్సైట్ సార్
This is the website. The beauty supply. Nigeria means African Americans. Okay. So definitely they use these products. And most of these products are coming from the African countries only.
manufacturing by
Yeah. So this is the website. All are skin lightening products. These are all. Yeah. Now US in the last 2 months we got 6,000 users. Can you see what all the column options are? How many new users? Session bounce rate also there. And how many payers they're checking and how much sale we have. I want to know what is the second highest country which have a good sale in the last 2 months or in the last 1 month, they said. Then first of all, you have to check for 1 month. You have to adjust this and come back and check here which country you have. So the first country is obviously US. Second is Jamaica. But you don't know, maybe down also there. That's why what you have to do is, there is one more country is there. That's why what you have to do is, once you come here, in the revenue, click here. It will adjust. Can you see this? So initially, if you thought that's the wrong answer now, when you click on that, see when I click again, small to high. Now, obviously, US is higher. Second is Guam, Tonga, Panama, Jamaica, Colombia. This is how you have to get the answer. Now, can you see bounce rate? I want to know which country has a highest bounce rate. Highest bounce rate means it's not correct. Maybe more than 70. So to check it again, come back here, click on bounce rate. Now, can you see this? 100%. What do you mean by 100% here?
Someone came to the second page also.
Means whoever comes to the page, they're leaving on the first page only. 100% means everybody leaving on the first page because only one person came. Right. Okay. Next. Right. Let me click on US. This is entire US. When I click on this, you will see the states information. US have different states, right? All the 52 states information also will be getting. See, New York, Florida, Texas, California, Georgia, all the 52 states. Now there is a question like which state got highest sale in the last 3 months? What are you going to do?
Conversion.
No, already conversions are there here, numbers. Try to read the analytics. First of all, they said that I want to check the sales from January to July. Then you have to adjust here. Check from January to July. Then click on apply. Maybe somebody asks you, like, I want to know what is your sale on January 2018? Means you have to select January 1, 2018.
18 to
to January 31st, 2018. You have to check like that. Now you can see the numbers, the last 6 months data. Now, which state has highest sale? So you can't find out like this. That's why click on this revenue. Now you got it right. Which state? Hawaii got highest sale. California second. New York third. Florida. Now what are you going to do is whenever you're running ads, see this is great actually.
125.
Hawaii 125 users only, but sale is good. Total 63 transactions only. Means maybe each customer is buying more. So that's good. Maybe what you can do is with this data, run social media ads to reach these guys to get more sales.
Remarketing.
Huh?
Costly products.
Maybe or else maybe they are more rich, they're buying more, or else maybe my target audience more in Hawaii. Let's see California.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్ లొకేషన్ కూడా ఉంటుంది ఇప్పుడు హైదరాబాద్ ఎట్లయితే
We'll see. So in such a way, try to read the data. You will get more and more information. Next, I'm clicking on New York. New York is a state. When you click on New York, you will see city report as well. As you're asking Hyderabad, so these are all the different cities. I can see 170 cities in New York. From 170 cities, we got the traffic. Again, which city has a more sale? We can find out. So obviously New York City నుంచి ఎక్కువ మంది వస్తారు. So this is about audience, guys. So audience is nothing but you will find out how many users, how many sessions, what is the bounce rate, which country, city. You can see browser as well. What browser people are using. Chrome, Safari, Opera, Android. Which operating system they're using. Android, iOS. Because if it is US, most of them iOS only. Because we have different countries, Android also dominating. Service provider also can get it. What do you mean service provider? Jio or Airtel. Sometimes not set means Google could not able to retrieve it. Now here left hand side few more options are there like demographics, like age and gender also you can find out. Now by seeing this data, what you can conclude? 25 to 34 female are buying more. Coming to my website more 64. This is female, this is male. Male 35, female 64. This is female.
ఒకటే చూస్తున్నాం ఏజ్
ఇక్కడ పెడితే కర్సర్ కనిపిస్తున్నాడు ఫీమేల్ కనిపిస్తుంది. Obviously this is a beauty product, right? This 35% also, why we are coming, we don't know.
వాళ్ళ వైఫ్
Yeah, maybe a boyfriend is buying for a girlfriend, maybe. But here we call barber shops, right? I don't know what they call it. Obviously saloons, maybe men will be running, so maybe they might be buying the products. So what you can conclude is whenever you're running ads, don't run only for women, because men also buy, you will lose the business.
అసలు కంటెంట్ బ్లాగ్ కూడా చేస్తారు కంటెంట్స్ అంటే
Google ads slow, we can block, but not in SEO, right? This is audience acquisition. Acquisition means from where they're coming to the website. Whether they're coming from Google, see, 81% is organic only. 15% direct. Paid is nothing. So mostly we're doing with the organic only. And if you're getting social, click on social. From which social platform you're getting business also you can find it. So YouTube is Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, LinkedIn. This is about acquisition. Behavior. Once they come to website, what they're doing? They're simply doing time pass or else they're buying the product. Right. You just see here 68,000 people came to product page. After that, where they've been, They've been to cart 2.2k only. So there is a drop off. There's a drop off. From here, how many people been to checkout? Then finally, how many convert? So if you have less pages, 3 or 4 pages, you can easily find out where people are dropping off. With this, maybe you can talk to your developer that there is a problem with about us page, people are not moving forward, we'll do something else. So you'll get the ideas as well. Finally, conversion. How much? Because this is e-commerce website, that I'm going for e-commerce. Normal website can go for a goals. How much I spent, how much I got. So in the last 6 months data, this is the sales on a particular day, July 2nd, $3,000, 177, 234 in such a way. Total we made $1,33,000 in the 6 months. Now, if you want, you can check the last 30 days results as well. Yeah, $19,000. Now here, exactly July 3rd, $358, $3,000, 177, 99, 1600. Just keep on fluctuating anyway. But on average, every month we're making close to $20,000. Okay, so this information is really important.
$20,000 అంటే ప్రాఫిట్ ఎంత అది కూడా
Profit means this is the revenue we generated. So profit client will calculate how much I invested, but as of now the complete is profit only, because we're not running any ads. If I'm running ads, $500, how much you got, that's the problem.
ప్రోడక్ట్ అంతా కదా సార్ దాని వాల్యూ
That they'll take care. Being a marketer, you should think. You should not check that what is the product cost, how much you got it. What you have to think is how much money I spent on the campaigns, how much I got it. That is what you have to think. At the end of the day, the product profit client will take care.
ఇది ఓన్లీ మన గూగుల్ ఎస్ఈఓ త్రూ వచ్చిన
As of now, we're not running any ads. Completely through SEO, this is a got. That's it, guys. Few more things there. I will make a separate video on this. Initially, this is enough. I showed you how to set up analytics and how to read the another numbers as well. And you might not have the data. You might not have this much data to analyze it. For you, one good news is there. Because all of you have website, but you don't have a lot of traffic, right? What you can do is type Google Analytics demo account. Type Google Analytics demo account analytics. Click on this, scroll down. You can see this, access the demo account. Scroll down. He's mentioning Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics. You can try both of them. I recommend you to go for UA as of now. Then automatically, whatever the traffic is coming for their website, they will show you. They'll give you access. Even as of now, my client website is there. I can give access to someone else. So here, this gear button. See, view access management. I can type someone else's email ID and I can give access to them. So they can also see. So here, Google is giving you directly access. See, I got the access. Now, this is the live data. Let me check on real time. If people are coming to the website, it is tracking. See, as of now, 18 people are there. Does anybody know what is the website? This is directly Google website. Google have only one website. That is called Google Merchandise Store. This is the only website Google manage. This is the e-commerce website. They sell mugs, t-shirts on Google brand. So on this, what traffic is coming? Such a way, you can import this demo account, type on Google demo account, import it, and you have an access. Just read them what's happening. You can't change anything, but you can just read. So how to do the conversion tracking and all, I'll be explaining in the next video. So if you have any questions, put it in a comment. Thank you, guys.